Hi everyone, my name is Nicole Smith from Smith's Consultants, and today I will be sharing my proposal for Mass Audubon. So as you know, you guys are the largest conservation group in Massachusetts. Your goals are conservation, education, advocacy, and you know that your funds are strictly through donations and memberships. However, there is a lack of large fundraising events, and I am here to propose a new event that we can hold. So my proposal is to hold a large annual fundraising event at one of your sites, specifically Daniel Webster in Marshfield, Massachusetts. The number one goal of this event would be to raise $20,000, and the second goal is to gain 100 new members. So how long and how much will this take? This will take approximately 1 year to plan, and our goal budget will be around $7,000. Oftentimes, fundraising event budgets will stray from the main goal, so hopefully we can stay around $7,000, maybe plus or minus $500. So how will we achieve this? We will advertise for this event through social media, flyers, and word of mouth. Social media will be through Mass Audubon's Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter account. Flyers will be passed out at local schools, libraries, and other public places such as grocery stores, as well as word of mouth through Mass Audubon members sharing with their friends and family. Why will people come to our event? There will be food, prizes, games, raffles, trivia, and this is also a great opportunity for kids to come out during the summertime. So here's an example of a flyer that we created for this event. You can see at the bottom it lists all the activities that will be held at the event, and just some sprinkled information and pictures of local wildlife. By holding this event, we can increase funds and hopefully put this towards a bigger conservation effort that we'd like to. This will increase people's knowledge, hopefully even children's knowledge of the diversity and how important certain animals are in our ecosystem, and this will hopefully gain new members to share their love of wildlife with others. I think that this will be a very important event, and this could potentially create even larger events throughout the year. If you would like to contact me, my name is Nicole Smith, and I thank you for listening to my proposal.